How to turn off page email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now just scroll down until you find settings, not settings, pages, and here you will find it. Click on your page and then click settings here, and now click this one, notifications, and here you will find the email. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.